Take all safety precautions. Close pressure and return valves and remove pipes. Unscrew securing bolts and remove motor.
Keep the motor assembly gear side facing upward, otherwise the shaft assembly may slip out. Amundsen coupling, which can result in motor rotational directional reversal, or piston securing rings may slip out of piston foot, resulting in a cumbersome job for aligning pistons.
Unscrew gear lock nut and remove it. Use puller to pull out the gear. Remove key. Unscrew bolts and jack out the end cover. Take out the end cover off the shaft. Remove old Speedy sleeve if fitted. Thoroughly clean the motor shaft. With cleaned motor shaft, use Loctite 648 or equivalent and push the new Speedy sleeve. Clean the shaft and wait till glue dries. On the end cover, remove damaged seal. Clean the seating surface. Place the new seal by gently tapping it. Carefully clean end cover. Clean the motor cover. Do not put too much force while securing end cover. It may lead pushing of the shaft backwards, causing damage of the distributor cover. For safety, remove distributor end cover and support the distributor shaft with some pipe. Place the end cover and tighten screws. Place key and gear and secure the nut. Put motor in place and connect pipings. Reversing of hydraulic motor and its working principles shall be discussed in next video. Your valued comments shall be highly appreciated. Thank you.